Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to show you how to make a custard slice. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make these custard slices, first start with the filling. In a bowl with 4 egg yolks, add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 100 grams of sugar and 40 grams of corn flour. Whisk until smooth. In a pot over low heat, add in 2 cups of milk and a pinch of salt. And bring to a gentle simmer. Once the mixture has reached a gentle simmer, remove from the heat and slowly stream the milk mixture into the egg mixture, whisking throughout. This is called tempering the eggs. Pour the mixture back into the pot and place over medium heat and whisk throughout until the mixture thickens, about 5 to 10 minutes. Add in 40 grams of butter and whisk until smooth. Pour the mixture into a heatproof bowl and cover with cling wrap. Make sure the cling wrap touches the mixture, otherwise the skin will form. Allow it to cool down slightly, then place into the fridge to chill completely. Next is the puff pastry. In a bowl with 8 ounces of flour, add in 7 ounces of cold cubed butter, rub the flour and butter together until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add in 150 to 160 ml of ice cold water. Mix until the mixture clumps together. Form the dough into a rough rectangle shape and roll out with a rolling pin. Fold one side of the dough to the middle and fold the other side to the middle as well. Wrap in cling wrap and place into the fridge for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, roll out the dough again into a long rectangle. Fold the same way and wrap in cling film. Place into the fridge for 10 minutes. Continue to do this 2 more times. On the final turn, cut the dough in half. Roll out each half into a square. Place onto a lined baking sheet and bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Allow to cool completely. Now to start layering. Place the first sheet of puff pastry into a tinfoil lined baking dish. Add the filling on top and spread out. Place the second layer of puff pastry on top and place into the fridge for 10 minutes. Next is the glaze. In a bowl with 200 grams of icing sugar, gradually add in 4 to 6 tablespoons of water and mix until smooth. Spoon the mixture onto the puff pastry and smooth out. Melt some chocolate and make stripes onto the pastry by going horizontally. Using a toothpick, drag the chocolate vertically down, then vertically up. This creates a lovely pattern. Place back into the fridge for 30 minutes. Cut into slices. Place the slices onto a serving plate. And enjoy!